Hello, everyone. I'm here today with, where is he? Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
With the big Rick Ice.
Area. Alright, you know which way's north?
Do I know?
Yeah.
That way.
I think this way.
Oh, dang. We are here today at Big 5 Sporting Goods, and we are just trying to come up with some video ideas. So we are just scouring around the stores trying to find something that piques our interest. This is what we need.
That game is skating fishing shoes.
I've done those before. I won.
Dang, you done everything, huh?
Here. Yes. Yes. We need so many of these. These are kind of cool. How much? Ooh, 40 bucks. Jeez. 60 width, so it's 5 feet. So 15, 20. We would need 4. We'd need about 8 of them. That's pretty expensive.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yes. How much?
Bucks. 16 bucks.
Oh, yes.
Look, we can literally just buy all of them.
All right, I'm gonna call Devin. Rick.
Is that your stuff there too?
Yeah, my friend's over there. He's gonna help me out. Hey.
Wait, I think foot power.
Speak now or forever hold your
It says
peace.
the flow. Oh, Gabriel.
1.7.
1.7.
Oh.
But I think foot is easier.
No. Wow, is that another one done? Rick, really?
I still haven't really figured out the optimum inflation. What am I on? 5?
I would say you're at a total of actually 4
Gabe,
Yeah.
based on some of your mess ups. What?
Andy Schrock, my first 900 flip, 1 million views.
Yeah,
Now I'll do a 900 flip and get a million.
go ahead. Wow, Rick. Looking good. All right, we are 5 pools down. In reality, we're only about 4 pools down. But Rick,
Well, JD popped one of them to be fair.
how's your back feeling?
Yeah, I feel good. I've got my seat now. We're in the shade.
Actually, the one that JD popped is the best looking one.
JD's spitting facts out
Yeah,
there.
he's just roasting you over there. Got caught in 4K.
I got caught in 4K? We were talking about some extremely important things here. I don't know what you're talking about, me getting caught in 4K. I'm doing work behind the scenes.
If you think he was caught in 4K, leave it in the comments below. Looking at this now, how are you feeling?
Not good. What happened, Rick?
All right, I just take the last spool out of the bag just then, and I'd see this area. Look at this!
Fresh out of the
Look
bag.
at that!
That's how they come. Hole straight through.
Full big rib. Let's bring it back. 16 bucks. Come on.
I'll be done quick. Look at that. That's a beauty. I don't normally eat lunch, but I was just wasn't feeling hungry at lunchtime, and then, you know,
Sometimes it hits you.
sometimes it just be coming out of nowhere.
You just gotta take a bite, so it's a mukbang
And I
video.
got so many amazing friends who can just film for me for a couple minutes.
You ever watch mukbang?
No.
Mowgli mukbang? Whoa, whoa. Ew. That was gross.
Cut it off, sit down.
That's a reverse
Make it look like I
mukbang.
did throw up. All right, Dan, come on. I need you to fix this pool.
I've been waiting my whole life for this. Where's the duct tape?
The duct tape is right under Mowgli.
Mowgli, duct tape. Where's the hole at?
I have flex pace too.
Where is it? Show me where the hole is at.
Rick, where's the hole?
Show me. All right, guys. I've heard a lot of talk. Whoa, it's both sides. That's crazy. Should I? Wait, so what's in here?
Oh!
Whoa! Does this fill up? Moment of truth. We've seen all the commercials. They say Flex Seal can make a boat float. It can. What the heck is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
How is that? You meant to do
No,
that.
I didn't. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Uzi. Hey, Rick, you got one more pull.
Ready? Moment of truth.
Wait, is this the right way up, though?
This is what we've been waiting for. I thought it was supposed to be black.
All right.
That's white.
Yeah, that's good.
They have white Flex Seal?
That's good. Let it dry a little
Is
bit.
that it?
Now we just pump up the jam.
All right, good news. It only takes 48 hours. So.
What the heck? Is that the bottom? Now, easy, I've realized the problem. We're gonna fill this with water, and now we're gonna have toxic water in there.
All right, here we are, Rick. We're down to our final pool. It is 3:23. It took you a little bit over an hour and 12 minutes to fill up all of these pools.
That is impressive, brother. Come on now. Look, I even brought the other rail out to practice.
Wow.
I'm out here, brother, getting it done.
What do you want to do, 50? That's it?
Yeah.
50 and done?
This is my prediction. Either I'm gonna land it first try, but probably not. I'm gonna grind, fall off, step on the edge, fully pop a pool. Honestly, the brisk thing, legitimately incredibly dangerous, super gnarly. I had to really psych myself up to do it. Like, so much could go wrong. This, minor could go wrong.
Yeah, you
Slip,
gonna go this way?
but that's not nowhere near as bad as the brisk one.
And you got the toxic
Brisk
pool
one,
at the
you
end.
sack, hit the edge with your neck, broken neck, and drown. Done. But this one, you can't break your neck on anything. This is almost our flagship pool.
All right. Warm it up.
All right, let's pretend that this is the official attempt.
Well, I left the lens cap on accident, but I think that serves as a very cool transition for you, Dan.
That was looking good, huh?
Yeah, how you feeling? It's only that plus another 16-ish feet.
It's all about the lock-in.
You ready?
Oh, nah, I was seeing the grip.
I'm not worried about slip.
Hey, you've been practicing 50s for this moment.
I haven't been practicing. Should we
You
do
know-
the Andy Anderson?
You know, to be honest, oh,
This is kind of risk, actually.
didn't you wax it?
I don't remember.
It feels waxed on my feet.
You going over the top?
Yeah. Maybe like a little bit backside.
My question for you is, do you really think you can do a feeble and not hit the pool and just get bodied?
Right.
I think it might dip too much.
You're
I think you gotta
100%.
50 it.
I just got done eating. This would have been great if I wasn't hurt on my side. I think I got.
Avenge your friend Smith.
It's never about winning. How many
not
times do I have
winning.
to say that to people? Like, it's about just doing what you feel is fun. The fun part is they're small pools compared to the other one. That was wild.
Look at
That's
that
what
bee.
I'm trying to say.
That bee is really digging our setup.
Like,
No!
man, I'm going off.
Dude, it actually looks pretty sick on
Not yet,
camera.
Mo. No.
Oh!
Take this.
I love him for that. I love you for that, Mo. Yo,
That's my
look at that.
waterboard.
Look at that. Wait, but still, wait. Look at how close it is to touching the water.
That's my waterboard.
Mowgli, that was seriously an impressive send. I'm not even like, that was so sick.
Well, I ate. I'm just trying to sit down.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Diddy?
So Mowgli, you're going for the board slide. And Rick, you're going for 50?
Yeah.
Full send, and oh, he's going! Oh! Dude.
Oh my god.
Hey, where was that speed with the Olympics earlier? Dude! Why are you so good at that?
Woo! It's kind of stressful. Dry gang represent. Should I sit down again?
Maybe.
Nah, we gotta come back to the crook now.
No, really?
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for watching. Videos onto the side.
You're up. Your turn.
Gotta let it dry.
It is dry. Oh! Dry gang!
Sack.
Did you?
Hey, look, if that was brisk, boom, sack.
Hey, but did you slide out? That's the question. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Do we got some rippage? What the heck?
Look, a butterfly.
Wait, where's the rip at, though?
Nah, it was just my splash.
Oh, dang. That was a very good case scenario right there.
Now I got the wet shoes. Mowgli's right there. Sometimes in skating, learning to shove, learning to ollie, you're really scared to fall. You fall one time, then you're like, oh, it wasn't even that bad. That's how we feel right now.
I don't know. Don't call me. Like, I have a failure. I don't want to fall.
Oh, that is definitely more sketchy.
So be safe, Rick. Oh my God! Yo!
Full send, Mo. How was that?
That was the wildest thing I've ever. That was absolutely unbelievable.
Backflip.
Get it. You got it, Glow. This or brisk? What was scarier rolling up to?
This?
Really? I'm ready for you.
Oh, no. All right, one try. Whatever happens, happens. For you, Mo.
Dang.
Run it back.
Got me hot, honestly.
Oh, you got slow-mo?
Hey, respect. He went for it, though. He went for it.
How you feeling, bro? Hey, you were looking real confident though. I loved it.
I went in 100% confident. Hey, quick word of advice, if you're ever gonna skate rails, it doesn't even have to be with water. If you are gonna try it, you 100% try it and give it your all, and good stuff will happen. Don't flake out because bad stuff will happen. Perfect example.
Oh my! Yeah!
What'd I tell you, Rick? You know I got your back.
Feel now.
He hit the body burial out?
Told you, Gay.
So sick.
I was scared, but Big Ice pumped me up like always. Mowgli pumped me up with the speed, honestly. I seen Mowgli going in, and I was like, man, I can't leave a brother behind right here. I RIP'd my board, but I can't wait to set up a Mowgli one. Woo!
Just go full speed and just ram into the...
Nah, well, I'm not trying to die.
You got it, JD. Woo!
This is viral for you, JD.
I mean, that's almost the same.
Yeah, that looks good.
Bro!
Woo!
Right here.
Skate within your limits, skate at your own risk. I like skate.
Yeah! Yo. Are you comfy?
That's beautiful. I like that.
We survived. Some of us survived. My little bro JD is still survived. Did that hurt, JD? You're gonna resend it, huh? He's my little bro for a reason.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Let's go!
Not expecting that.
Hey, took dad's shoes, got him wet. That's how you solve the problem right there, big dog.
Woo.
I don't even think I've ever really seen you front 50 the whole rail on flash. Shout out JD.
How is it? Cold in there, Rick?
It's actually super nice. You wanna get a mermaid shot for me?
Yeah.
Oh my god. If you guys are ever gonna get the Braille fingerboards, please do, because it's multi-use. You can even finger surfboard. And then we got the finger kayak over here. Check it. Floats. So finger kayaking. It's multi-use. And if you have a dollhouse, just buy the fingerboard set and boom. You can have a door for your dollhouse.
What do you do, Rick?
50-50, slow, and try to see how long I can survive.
Ow. How'd you almost make it?
What would you have done on this, Chris?
Probably like a feeble grind or a board slide. Board slide's probably one of the safer ones because you can go faster, which would actually make you clear the rail quicker.
Front board?
Front board would be pretty scary. I think just like going backwards like that and then bailing, like you have a bigger chance of slipping in the pool or something, but the guys killed it.
I'll donate you 20,000 bits if you board flag to Smith.
Let me push you.
20,000 bits?
Maybe
That's
more.
That's $200.
Or yeah, I'm just or my 50,000.
No!
You know, when you first go in the pool, it feels cold, and then you acclimate to the environment and you feel at peace.
So what hard trick are you thinking?
I don't know.
I feel like at this point there's not really much to lose.
Oh, I never know what tricks that you have secretly.
All right, well, we dreamed of small. We dreamed of many small pools, and we achieved our dream. This was pretty fun, you know. Honestly, brisk day, I was stressed out. I was stressed on that one. But this one I kind of like. I think it's fun. JD came out victorious.
I'm not gonna lie, Rick, I do have one angle I want to get.
We're gonna go the underwater submarine shot, brother.
Hello, help me, I am under the water.
Oh! Dang, Rick! Woo! I wasn't filming in slow-mo.
All right, well, we came. We trained for the train. Bah, bah. Yeah! They told us it wasn't possible to stay 100% dry skating it. Me and JD achieved our dream. Boom. No, but that was really fun. I enjoyed that. Please, if you decide to do some dangerous skateboarding stunts, be very safe. Wear a helmet. Make sure, get your parents' permission. Make sure, long train. Make sure you skate within your limits. Don't do anything dangerous and be safe out there. There are some videos out there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard, and we have everything you need on the Braille Army Plus membership. Let's go.